Hello students, welcome again. Now we have reached the most important topic of this chapter, that is the ray diagram. And before starting, to obtain the images, the ray diagram, how to draw the ray diagram, certain rules are there. That is the rules for obtaining images formed by concave mirror. And then we will later the convex mirror. Then after refraction, the lenses are there. Here we will learn the ray diagram, that means images formed by concave mirror, then convex mirror, then after refraction, lenses, concave lens and convex lens. And the rules, अगर इसके rules अगर आ जाते हैं, so that means सबके rules you will know the all rules. Okay, the mirror and lenses, the rules will remain the same. Some rules are same. So it is very easy to, if we understand the rules of concave mirror and convex mirror, so refraction, that means lenses will become, the ray diagram of lenses will become easier. Okay, the first is, let's suppose this is concave mirror. Okay, what happens? If a light ray, if this is principal axis, this is center of curvature, this is focus, this is reflecting surface, this is polished surface. Okay, so what happens? The first rule is, if a line coming parallel to the principal axis, if a light ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, after striking to the surface of the concave mirror, it passes through the focus. This is the first rule. Okay, first rule, and very, very important. And for image formation, we need two light rays, minimum of two light rays, at least two light rays we need. And you draw the ray diagram according to the rule. For image formation, the rule is very important. First is, you have to write this in notebook as well. The rule number 1 is, if a light ray coming parallel to the parallel axis, after reflection from the, or you can say after striking from the concave mirror, after reflection, it passes through the focus. First rule. Second one, just vice versa of this. Okay, second one, just I am writing here. Second one, so this is a concave mirror, this is principal axis, this is focus, this is center of curvature. If a light ray passes through the focus, after reflection from the mirror, becomes parallel to the principal axis. That means if a light ray passes through the focus, after reflection from the concave mirror, becomes parallel. Okay, the arrow is telling everything. That means this means that the light ray is coming from here, and after reflection it is going like this. Here as well, the arrow is telling that from here the light ray is coming. Okay, and after reflection it is reflecting like this. This is second rule. That means if a light ray passes through focus, after reflection from the mirror, becomes parallel to the principal axis. You have to write the rule in words as well and diagram as well. Third one, this is the reflecting surface concave mirror, this is center of curvature, this is focus. Okay, the rule is, if a light ray passes through the center of curvature, after reflection, it passes through the center of curvature itself. That is, no change will be there. No change will be there. Center of curvature से आएगी. After reflection, it passes through the center of curvature. Passes through center of curvature. After reflection, passes through the center of curvature. That means ऐसे आएगी तो ऐसे ही जाएगी. Okay. The fourth rule is, if a light ray striking the to the pole of a concave mirror. That means पोल पर स्ट्राइक करती है तो जिस एंगल से यहां आ रही है उसी एंगल से चले जाएगी. Okay, this is the fourth one. Okay, first one, if a light ray coming parallel to the principal axis after reflection pass through the focus. Second one, if a light ray passes through the focus after striking to the surface becomes parallel. Okay, the third one, if a light ray passes through the center of curvature after reflection will pass through the center of curvature. Okay, the fifth one, by which angle? That means, let's suppose a light ray which is incident at the pole of the concave mirror, after reflection it passed through by making the same angle with the principal axis. That means this angle will be equal to this angle. Here as well, all the angle will be angle I equal to angle R. This will remain equal in all cases. Here as well, if it is incidenting on the pole of a concave mirror, so it will pass by making with the same angle with the principal axis. Let's suppose this is the normal of, this will be the normal of and by the second law of reflection, it will pass, the angle of reflection will be angle of, the incidence will be equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, so these are the 4 rules, and in the further video we will learn the convex mirror. Okay,